Hello, good evening dear students. Today I am continuing my lecture of semiconductor. The chapter of class 12 and a very important chapter as I am saying. Today I will important one of the most important topic of PN junction, one of the most important topic of semiconductor, and that is PN junction. Myself Kanhaiya Jha and my channel name is Kanhaiya Physics. You can subscribe the channel to get notification of all the videos. You know class 12 is very much important, so you have to be updated and you have to gather knowledge, and then only you can excel in your life. So board examination is also important as well as competitive exam is also important, so you have to go through this. Okay, let me come to the topic. PN junction. What is the meaning of PN junction? PN junction means, you know P-type semiconductor, you know N-type semiconductor. In P-type semiconductor, I told you P-type is positive type, in that hole concentration will be more and electron concentration will be less. And in N-type semiconductor, electron concentration will be more and hole concentration will be less. Now what we will do in PN junction, so now we will attach both P as well as N in the same. In the same I will attach both. So half side will be P and half side will be N. So a semiconductor in which half of the portion will be P type and half of the portion will be N type is known as PN junction. A semiconductor in which half of the portion will be P type and the rest half will be of the N type is known as PN junction. Now see this PN junction. Can you understand the picture that this is what hole, this is what hole, and this is what electron. In P type I told you that hole will be majority charge carrier and hole has positive charge, right? And electron will be minority charge carrier. So electron quantity will be very less, but hole quantity will be more. So number of holes will be more and number of electrons will be less. In N type what will happen? Electron will be majority charge carrier and hole will be minority charge carrier, right? So in N type electron is majority charge carrier and hole is minority. That is hole will be few in number, electrons will be much more in number. Now what will happen? Think naturally that if there will be a negative and there will be a positive, what will happen? Attraction will happen. Like boyfriend girlfriend relationship, na? Yeah, when there will be a negative charge, there will be a positive charge, what will happen? This electron will jump here. This negative charge will go near the positive charge. This negative charge will also go near the positive charge. And this negative charge will also go near the positive charge. Now the question is that, will it go? I will say yes. Because this is negative charge and hole has positive charge. So there will be a natural attraction between the two and it will go. But this first layer is going. Can I say that second layer will also go? So what I will say, second layer can go, but if this will have energy, then it can go now. For example, try to understand that suppose that here is Bahubali. And if suppose I will tell Bahubali that you have to jump from here to here. So if the distance will be less, Bahubali can jump. And if suppose the distance, if I will increase the distance, right? And if suppose here is our favorite Indur, who is there? Indur is there. And if suppose I will tell Indur that you have to jump from here to here, what Indur will say? Sir, I am not Bahubali, how I can jump? Because the distance is more. So for the jumping, Indur need more energy, and if he will get that much of energy, then only he can jump. And if he will not get, what will happen? He can't jump. Natural. So if you will have energy, if you think that you can jump, then you can jump. And if you don't have energy, what will happen? You can't jump. So this is happening. So near electron can jump. Near electron can jump. But all the electron? No. All the electron will not jump. Only near electron will jump. So let's suppose the first layer electron will jump to the hole. So what is happening? If this will happen, then see the next picture. How we will make the next picture? So in the next picture, what will happen? Next picture will be like this one, because this is negative charge, this is positive charge. When negative will go and it will fuse with the positive, what will happen? Mutual now. Negative plus positive, -1 plus -1 plus 1. What will happen? 0. That is neutral. Like that. Negative is jumping on the positive, neutral. Negative is jumping on the positive, neutral. So in this region, a region will be created where there will be no charge. Where there will be no charge. So what happened? All the charge depleted. What happened? All the charge of this region is depleted. Depleted means खत्म हो जाना. Depleted means destroyed. It will be destroyed. All the charge will be destroyed. Why? Because negative will jump on positive, neutral. So all the charge of this region is depleted. Depleted means खत्म हो जाना. So all the charge will be depleted. So what will happen? That in this region there will be no net charge. So if there will be no charge, so this region is known as depletion region. Which region? Which region is known as depletion region? This region. This region is known as depletion region. So what is depletion region? A region where there will be no any charge. A region where there is no any charge is known as depletion region. So this region, can you see? This region is generated where there is no charge. This region is known as depletion region. First make the picture. अच्छा see, here hole is majority, so electron will be minority. Here electron is majority, so hole will be minority. So this is P, this is N. So here electron will be minority, and here hole will be minority. Right? Up to this, any dot. So depletion region you have understand, a region where there is no net charge, all the charge is depleted is known as depletion region. This definition they can ask in board. So write it. Can I rub this one? So now you have understand depletion region. So depletion region is a region where there is no net charge. Depletion region is a region where there is no net charge. Right? Okay. Now understand something more. So this is P tap, this is N tap. If suppose electron is going from here, so when electron will go from here, so if I will give electron to someone, so I will be positive. Now what physics people believe, that if I will give something to someone, I will be positive. If I will accept something from someone, I will be negative. So electron is going from here, so electron is negative charge. If negative charge will go, then what will happen? Positive will be there. So here will be a positive charge. Or you can think like this also. So this is negative charge, so it will attract positive. It is negative charge, so it will attract a positive. And this is positive charge, so it will attract a negative charge. Or you can think like this. Since hole is going from here, so hole has positive charge. Positive is going, so what will be there? Negative will be there. So either you can think like this, negative will attract positive and positive will attract negative. So here will be plus 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 plus, and on this there will be minus 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 minus, right? So a charge will be generated in the depletion region. What will happen? A charge will be generated in the depletion region. And since this charge is generating, so in the capacitor also you were seeing that if there is two plates, on one plate there will be plus, on one plate there will be minus, then an electric field will be generated, and this direction of electric field will be from positive terminal to negative, positive charge to negative charge. So the direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. So since here positive charge is generated here, negative charge is generated here, so direction of electric field will be from positive to negative. So an electric field is generated in depletion region. What is happening? An electric field is generated in depletion region. So this electric field is known as EG. EG means electric field in electric field across depletion region. So why this electric field is generating? Because here is positive, here is negative. So this is two plates, so electric field will be generated from positive to negative, positive to negative. So electric field is generated in the depletion region. Okay? Up to this clear? Okay. You know this formula also, that dV is equal to EdR. EdR. That means if there will be potential difference, here is potential difference also. Here is a potential difference. Here is a potential difference. If there is potential difference, then electric field will be generated. And understand one more thing here. You have to understand one more thing. Try to understand it. Up to this you have written. Can I have this? Try to understand one more thing. Okay, see. Here positive charge is generated. Na? So positive means high potential, negative means low potential. So high potential is represented like this and low potential is represented like this. So this is high potential, that means can we write V plus, and here can we write V minus. V minus means low potential, V plus means high potential. So this is high potential, this is low potential. And see this one, a graph will be like this. This is known as potential difference. Potential difference. And see this one. Can you see this? This thing? This height is known as potential barrier. This is known as potential barrier. So actually what is this potential barrier? The potential difference between higher potential and lower potential. This height. Can you see? The potential difference between higher potential and this is what? This is V positive means higher potential. And what is this? This is lower potential. So potential difference between higher potential and lower potential. This difference, can you see? This difference is known as potential barrier. This height is known as potential barrier. What does it mean? That if I will give this much of potential to this can jump. If I will give this much of energy to this electron, this can jump. So that is potential barrier. So potential barrier means a barrier which will create a obstruction in the flow of current. So this potential barrier is generated, that's why it can't flow. Okay? So what is potential barrier? Difference between higher potential and lower potential is known as potential barrier. Clear? Can I get this? Okay. Now understand something more. Actually, you know that I have little bit less space. Okay. Now understand something more. So can I have this one? Because if I will have this one, I will get some space. I am having this one. Now I have some more space. Right? Okay. Now understand. Okay. Now after the potential barrier concept, understand that there will be now flow of charge, because initially what I told that there is a p-n junction. In the p-n junction what will be there? Initially here will be p, here will be n electron. Oh. So what will happen? This is P, this is N. So electron will jump here. This electron will jump here. This electron will jump here. So electron will jump from N to P. And when this electron will jump, this is known as diffusion of electron. This is known as diffusion of electron. Are you able to understand what is happening? See again. This is P type. This is N type. In the P type, what will be there? Hole will be majority charge carrier. Hole will be majority charge carrier. So first we will make hole, electron will be minority charge carrier. So we will make electron, hole is majority, electron is minority. And what will happen? This first layer of electron will jump on the hole. This electron will also jump. This electron will also jump. So what is happening? Electron is going from N to P. Electron is going from N to P. At the same time, hole can also go from P to N. So due to the movement of this charge, electron is going from N to P. That means electron is moving. Hole is going from P to N. So hole is also moving. So when the charged particle will move, there will be a generation of current. So due to that current, since electron is diffusing to hole and hole is diffusing to electron, so due to this diffusion, a current is generated in the p-n junction, and this current is known as diffusion current. Which current? Diffusion current. So understand diffusion current initially during the formation of p-n junction. When p-n junction is forming, hole diffuse from p side to n side. Hole is diffusing from, hole will go like this, p to n. Hole will go from P to N. So hole will go from P to N. So hole moving direction is this. So hole will go from P to N. At the same time, electron will go from N to P. So initially during the formation of p-n junction, hole diffused from P to N side and electron diffused from N side to P side. Due to this motion of charge carrier, a current is generated which is known as diffusion current. Which is known as diffusion current. Try to understand this figure. This is P, this is N, right? Here is hole, here is electron, right? This will be positive. Near negative there will be positive, and near positive there will be negative, right? Is it clear? And what will happen? Hole will move from P to N and electron will move from N to P. So if I will ask you what is the direction of hole, what is the direction of movement of hole? So hole diffusion direction is this. This is the direction of hole diffusion. Hole diffusion. So hole is going from this side to this side. So this is the direction of hole diffusion. And what is the direction of electron diffusion then? If hole diffusion direction is this, then electron diffusion. Electron will come from N to P. So electron diffusion direction will be this. Right? And now tell me one thing. That due to this diffusion, what will happen? Diffusion current will form. So initially during the formation of p-n junction, hole diffused from p side to n side and electron diffused from n side to p side. Due to this motion of charge carrier, a current is generated which is known as diffusion current. This is clear? Now we will understand the second one, that is drift current. Understand drift current. What will happen? Let now see. When p-n junction will form, then depletion region will be generated. A depletion region will be generated. Depletion region means a region where there is no any free charge. That means electron and hole both will deplete. Both will deplete means khatam ho jana. So both will deplete. So in this region there is no charge particle, but there is a electric field. There is a electric field. Now understand that suppose if this is a electric field, if suppose this is a electric field, this concept I have understand in electrostatic chapter. that if there is an electric field and if I will place any positive charge in any electric field, what is the condition? If there is an electric field and if I will place any positive charge in the electric field, then this positive charge will experience a force in this electric field, and that force will be equal to Q times E. How much force it will experience? It will experience a force F is equal to Q times E, and the force direction. Force is a vector quantity. Direction of force is in the same direction of electric field. What is the direction of force? Direction of force will be in the same direction of electric field. And if there a negative charge will be there, then this negative charge will also experience a force, and this negative charge force will be in the opposite direction of electric field. But the force magnitude will be same. Is it clear? Again I am repeating that if there is a electric field and if I will place any charge, then this positive charge will experience a force F equal Q times E in the same direction of electric field, and negative charge will experience a force F is equal to QE. Magnitude will be same, but direction will be opposite to it. So now I will apply this concept here. See that if I will ask you that due to this electric field, what is the direction of electric field? Positive to negative, positive to negative. Electric field due to the depletion region is what? Electric field due to the depletion region direction is this. So this electric field will now understand my question. This hole can go from P to N? No. Why? Because this is positive charge and positive charge move in the same direction of electric field. So positive charge is experiencing a force in the same direction of electric field. So electric field is in this direction. So this positive charge will go in this direction. Positive charge experience a force in the same direction of electric field. So this positive charge want to come in this side. This negative charge can go from here to here, N to P. Think about it. Negative charge moves in the opposite direction of electric field. What is the direction of electric field? This. Positive to negative. Positive to negative. So this negative charge moves in the opposite direction of electric field. So electric field is in this direction. So this negative charge will move in this direction. So this electron want to go in this direction, not in this direction. So what is my concept? That this majority charge carrier will not move. What is my concept? Majority charge carrier of P and N will not move, because this hole will not go from P to N and this electron will not go from N to P. So majority charge carrier will not move. Now think about the minority. In P type, who is the minority charge carrier? Electron is the minority charge carrier. Now can electron move? Electron, this is negative charge. Negative charge moves in the opposite direction of field. Field is in this direction. So this negative charge will move in this direction. So this electron can go from P to N. This electron can go from P to N. Like that, this hole, think about this hole. This hole is the minority charge carrier of N type. So hole is a positive charge carrier. This hole will experience, this is a positive charge. Positive charge experience a force F equal QE in the same direction of electric field. So this is the electric field. So this hole can go from N to P. That means here, due to this field, due to the field of depletion region, majority charge carrier will not move, but minority charge carrier will move. And who is responsible for this movement? Electric field of the depletion region. Because electric field is applying a force, and due to that force, it is moving. Right? So minority charge carrier can move. This movement is known as drift. This movement is known as drift. Drift means खिसकना. Drift current, you know, na? So this movement is known as drift. And due to this movement, if a current is generated, that is known as drift current. So my next current is drift current. Now see this thing. Due to the field generated in depletion region, electron of P side of the junction, move to N side, and whole of N side will move to P side. Whole of N side will move to P side. Due to this motion of charged particle, drift current is generated. Current formed due to the drift of minority charge particle is known as drift current. Who is making this drift current? Minority charge particle is making the drift current. Is it clear? Write it. Okay. Now we have seen that actually two currents is generating. One is diffusion current and one is drift current. Now try to understand the diagram of drift current. This is P, this is N, this is PN junction. In P type hole will be majority and in N type electron will be majority, right? Electron will be majority, but that does not mean that electron will not be there. Electron will be there, but it will be minority. Hole will be there, but it will be minority. This is negative, so here will be positive. This is positive, so here will be negative. Electric field direction will be positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, right? Now see that hole will be drift in which direction? This is hole, no? This hole is positive. Positive will move in the direction of electric field. So hole will drift in this direction. Hole will drift in this direction. And this electron will drift in this direction because this negative charge will move in the opposite direction of field. This is field, so it will move in this direction. So electron will drift in this direction. Now understand this. Electron diffusion is in this direction and electron drift is in this direction. Opposite, no? Diffusion electron is in this direction. Drift electron is in this direction. So that means diffusion current and drift current direction will be opposite to each other. What is the concept? Diffusion current and drift current direction will be opposite to each other. So write this statement. Direction of diffusion current. Direction of diffusion current and drift current is opposite to each other. Is opposite to each other. Correct? Up to this any doubt? Now write something more. Right. Initially, diffusion current is large and drift current is small. Initially what will happen? Diffusion current will be large, drift current will be small. As diffusion process start, electric field strength start increasing. Hence, drift current also start increasing after some time. Diffusion current and drift current become equal. After some time, diffusion current and drift current become equal. That is diffusion current is equal to drift current. And when this situation will come, that diffusion current is equal to Gift current. So this situation is known as PN junction is at equilibrium. At equilibrium. That means when diffusion current is equal to drift current, then PN junction will be at equilibrium. That means initially what will happen? Diffusion current will be more because this near electron can jump. So initially diffusion will start. As the diffusion will start, then a depletion region will be made, and when the depletion region will be there, then so slowly and slowly this electric field will be stronger. As the electric field will be stronger, this minority charge carrier can drift, and when this minority charge carrier will start drifting, drift current will generate. So initially diffusion current will be more, then drift current will, initially diffusion current is high, then drift current will start increasing, and when diffusion current is equal to drift current, then PN junction is known as at equilibrium, and then there will be no any flow of the charge particle, minority charge. So when diffusion current will be equal to drift current, then the flow of the minority charge particle will stop, because that is the position of equilibrium. Because water will not flow if both is at same height. Like that, when PN junction will be at equilibrium, then no any charge particle can move. Right? So thank you. I will start the next topic, that means biasing of diode in the next lecture. Forward biasing and reverse biasing.